it's Animal Jammer 1123 back here with another video. So today I will be hosting a fashion show and I will be recording it. I'm accompanied with my cousin Frozen1123. She said hi. Okay. And I put in a webcam to spice things up. I don't know why. So yeah, I hope you guys like it today. I will be getting people to come and join. So let's see. I tend to go in all caps because it just helps. Oh, wait, is my den locked? Oops. Good thing. Fashion show, my den. What's with all those spaces in between? I don't get that. The first theme is phantoms, because that never gets old. Also, by the way, if you're ever doing phantoms for your first theme, just know that they have purple, okay? They have purple. Do not forget the purple. So many people only do black and they don't do purple, and yeah, it gets me kind of annoyed. Dance when done. This is probably really boring for you, I'm sorry. What the heck? Oh, okay, now it's getting better. Okay. My cousin, it didn't load the costume for a few seconds. Phantoms. Phantoms. Okay, fight. There's a little bit of a fight. From Pouncing Frozen Ivy. You can just move. I hope that she knows that. You can always just move. Spread out, please. Okay, I like Major's costume. I'm thinking about me. I had to see what Ellen's costume will be. Oh my gosh, it's phantoms. I've said that about a million times. Not really, but yeah. Spread out, people! Oh my gosh, can you guys not spread out? Is that impossible? Is that physically impossible? I'm sorry. Sometimes these are kind of annoying. Because the people... Oh! Oh my gosh, that person thought that I said potato. Okay. Who the heck is this? Get away. Go away. We're in the middle of a fashion show. Okay, Prancing Frozen Ivy. They're all. Countess Brave Star's out. Countess Brave Star. Sorry, you're. Next theme is. What should my next theme be? I'm deciding while I'm typing. How about bright? Just bright, bright, bright. Next theme is bright. Yeah, I bet that this is really boring for all of you. I'm sorry. I just didn't want to go a few days without making video. I'm probably gonna make another video, but that will be uploaded later. Ooh, I need that bow and arrow. Sadly, I have nothing that is actually of interest that I can trade. Oh well. Ooh, I like some of those outfits. I must say, if Awesome Icy Gym, if that's their outfit, they are out. Sorry. Oh, good. It's not. Miss Arctic Wolf is only yellow. Okay. That's lovely. Gonna have to say Awesome Icy Gem's out. Well, I need to wait. Dance when done. Are you done, Miss Arctic Wolf? Are you done, Miss Arctic? Awesome, whatever. Awesome Icy Gem, you're out. I really am sorry, but I do have to get people out for this. That's one of the worst parts of the fashion show. So Awesome Icy Gem, you're out. Sorry. Okay. Next theme is, what should it be? Next theme is, how about superheroes? Superheroes. Gosh, woman, calm down. I'm sorry, but some of these fights are kind of funny. I shouldn't be laughing. I shouldn't be laughing. That's kind of rude. Just, I don't know. Something about this interests me. I have no idea what. Yeah, this is the most boring part. So I will just talk about myself. So, let's see. I own an Instagram account, and I have 4,100 followers on it. And yeah, that makes me very happy because I am so weird that I don't really expect anyone to ever follow me. I just like to get out and try stuff, so yeah. That's why I do this kind of stuff. And also, I am an only child, but I have 1,000,000 cousins. I have 1,000,000 cousins. I am not kidding. Who should be out? Miss Arctic Wolf should be. Major, you're out. Sorry. Major. Yeah, Miss Arctic Wolf does look kind of cool. So, the next theme is, what should the next theme be? I should really plan these out. How about hippie? Because I can. Earth. Camouflage. Camouflage. I just like to keep on clicking on the webcam and just looking at me to make sure that I look okay. Because I don't want to look like the whole time on the video. Yeah, I don't want to look like that the whole time. I need a bow and arrow. I'm not kidding. I can buy one. I just get up to 2,000 gems. And I see something that I have to buy. It's not my fault. It's the items. So, let's see. Okay, Lucky Snowy Wolf. She's the best. And she's my cousin. Yeah, if that's major. Didn't I just get you out? Yeah, I did. Okay. Yeah, Prancing Frozen Ivy. I don't want to favor my cousin, though. But to me, she just looks better, Camera. But I don't want to favor my cousin because she has too much stuff. There is such a thing. Okay. Just to warn you about my cousin. Little bit of anger issues. Anger management, I like to call it. I'll explain to her later. Lucky Snowy Wolf, sorry, you're out. Because I really don't want to favor my cousin, and I mean, they're both equally good, so yeah. Okay, well, I think that this video is getting just a bit too long, so I'm gonna leave and edit it. Hold on. I hope that they don't mind that I'm recording them. I'm sure that they won't. So, yeah, this is Animal Jammer 1123 ending another video that was co-hosted with Frozen 1123. So I hope you guys like it. And if you did, make sure to like, as Anna says, and subscribe. So, yeah, hope you guys like. Thanks. Bye.